What if we're given 2 points like -6, -5, and 2, 7, and asked to find the equation of the line without being given a grid? We could use a table of values. Recognizing that the 2 points are ordered pairs that can be positioned in our table, we can then use our table to find our rise and our run. We can then use the formula slope equals rise over run to simplify the slope value. Once we have the slope value simplified, we can substitute it into our y equals mx plus b equation. We also have the coordinates of x and y values as given in the points. We can choose which point we would like to use. Typically, you might like to pick the one that has more positive numbers in it, or it looks like it's going to be easier for calculating. In this case, let's pick 2 and 7. What we'll do is we'll sub the 7 in the place of the y. The 3 over 2 in the place of m is already there. So we'll multiply this by the x value of 2. We'll add b to the end here because that's what we're going to need to determine. When we multiply the 2 by the 3 over 2, we'll get 6 over 2, which can be simplified to 3. We'll subtract 3 from both sides of our equation to isolate b and determine that b is equal to 4. Now that we have both our slope and our y-intercept, we can write the equation y equals mx plus b and substitute the m and the b appropriately. And that's how we can find the equation of the line that passes through 2 points by using a chart to find the slope and then algebra to find the b value.